So I got it all in there.
Stay away from the cute shots. I know you're thorough, but you guys stay away from the cute shots, okay? Now I'm going to fight you.
Look, it's so pretty already. And I guess we shake it. But look how pretty that is. Yo, this is really pretty. I just made like a body glitter. That looks so pretty. The baby oil and the eyeliner. I'm pretty sure they did. I really love how this looks, even like, oh, even though it's in the bottle, like, look how pretty. So let's just do a test. We're gonna do a test. And it smells good because it's baby oil, so it's very subtle, but like it's there and it blends with my skin so well, so it's definitely gonna give like a cute shine, quick shine. Here's how it looks on my fingers. I want to do another spray, but that was just one spray. I'm gonna do one more. Ugh, look at that. That looks amazing. Here's how it looks before rubbing it in. But that's pretty. Alright guys, comment down below what y'all think about my body glitter dupe. Yeah, oh also make sure if you're gonna try to make it, have a napkin down, because it, as you can see, it's a little, it did run over the sides a little bit, so I'm just gonna clean that up. Comment down below y'all what y'all think. Did y'all think this was pretty, or do I need to add a little bit more highlighter to it?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Okay, so what's up my YouTubies? I'm back. Real quick before I start moving around, I don't have any nails on but this one. I was in the process of redoing my nails. These are the press-ons, Kiss press-on nails. I know y'all heard of those by now. They were ripped off, so yeah. But I am right now in my little office / beauty room area. I have not gotten this room together yet. It has been quite some time because this room ceiling is still not done in this room, and I just don't want to start putting my shelves in here and things like that I want until it gets done. So right now we just have the office area kind of set up. Just to kind of reintroduce myself, I am growing on YouTube, so I guess I feel like I should reintroduce myself. Hello, my name is Sayrova, or you can call me Say, but people know me as Bana. You can call me Bana too. Once you get to know me and you start watching my videos a lot and you feel like you know me at that point, then you can start calling me Bana. Then I'll know which one of my people are my fans, or which one of my YouTubies are really YouTubies, right? Because you would have seen this and you'll start calling me Bana. But so I am about to take a shower really quickly. Whoa. Bun time. Ivory soap. Remember you guys, I've been using ivory for my skin, and the ivory's been working really well. It's a gentle, mild soap, and it really does help for acne prone skin. Green and mouth.
That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.